everyone. I am Dr. Vidya Sharma from Arts, Commerce and Science College, Kiran Nagar, Amravati, Maharashtra. And the title of my presentation is a new version of Correlate Transform and its application. The goal of my paper is interpretation of Correlate Transform in terms of wavelet transform, analytical study of Correlate Transform, application on satellite image fusion. We know in 1807 Joseph Fourier has introduced Fourier transform, but some limitations are there for Fourier transform. Fourier transform only gives what frequency component exists in the signal, then the time and frequency information cannot be seen at the same time, then at what time the frequency component occurs, Fourier transform can't tell. So in 1980 the wavelet transform appears, and in 1982 Jean Morlet has developed wavelet transform as a new mathematical tool for seismic signal analysis. The wavelet transform decomposes a signal into a representation that shows signal details and trends as a function of time, and this representation can be used to characterize transient events, reduce noise, compress data and perform many other operations. Wavelet transform have become powerful tool for non-stationary signals of various kinds such as sound, radar, seismic, biomedical signals, and for image processing, image compression, pattern recognition, etc. Then this is the definition of wavelet transform. Okay. Now the application of wavelet transform is signal processing, beam forming, edge recognition, face recognition, image denoising, etc. Then in 1999 Correlate transform appears. Correlate transform is a new multi-scale transform with frame element indexed by location parameters and scale. So to analyze a local line or curve singularities, Correlate transform much more efficient than traditional transform. So Correlate transform exhibits good reconstruction of the edge data as it incorporates directional component to the conventional wavelet transform. This is the definition of discrete Correlate transform. So then Correlate transform, what we have proved here, we have proved Correlate transform as the extension of wavelet transform. So this is the basic definition of Correlate transform, and keeping some substitutions we get a beautiful result, and that result is Correlate transform is equals to 1 upon under root a into wavelet transform. Means Correlate transform is nothing but some constant into wavelet transform. So now this new version of Correlate transform appears, and using that new version we have proved analytical behavior of Correlate transform. Then first we come to test function space. It is infinitely differentiable complex valued function phi on r to the power n is said to belongs to test function space if gamma of phi is equals to supremum of mod beta at derivative of phi of x less than infinity. Then generalized Correlate transform is defined as this is the Correlate transform, C, J, K, L, W, A, B, these are the parameters, is equals to distribution of f of x over this kernel, and the kernel is defined here. Then using that new version we have proved analyticity theorem, inversion theorem, and then we come to application on satellite image fusion. In experimental data, multispectral image sample data is considered first, and then the result shows that the proposed model outperformed the wavelet based model ever applied in image processing, and finally thresholding techniques is applied to denoise the signal contaminated due to the presence of Gaussian noise. Then the performance factor PSNR and RMSE measures are used here, and these measures are calculated as follows. These are the formula of PSNR and RMSE value, and these are the sample data, random noise, Gaussian noise, and this is the values of contaminated signal data, and these are the PSNR values of wavelet thresholding and Correlate thresholding, and these are the RMSE value. We can see that here 0.1214 is RMSE value, and PSNR value of wavelet and Correlate thresholding is 24.89, 26.15 like this. So the conclusion of my theme is the theory of wavelet transform has been extended to the curvelet transform, and analytical framework of curvelet transform is defined. Also, inversion theorem, analyticity theorem is proved, and our curvelet based model have better performance than wavelet transform. So, in this paper, we have proved curvelet transform is some constant into wavelet transform, means curvelet transform is just extension of wavelet transform, means it is used in the similar way, but some calculations are different, and it shows some edges clearly through curvelet transform. These are the references, and thank you very much.